Git flow workflow. In this presentation, we'll explore the Git flow workflow, a widely used Git branching model that helps teams manage the development and release of software projects in a structured and organized manner. Git flow defines a specific set of branches and their purposes, as well as a standardized workflow for collaborating on code and releasing new versions. By following the Git flow workflow, teams can maintain a clear and predictable development process, making it easier to track changes, manage releases, and collaborate effectively. The Git flow workflow is particularly useful for larger, more complex projects where multiple developers are working on the codebase simultaneously. It provides a clear and consistent way to manage the different stages of the development lifecycle, from feature development to bug fixes and releases. The Git flow workflow revolves around the use of several key branches, each with a specific purpose. The main branches are master. This branch represents the official, production-ready codebase. Changes to the master branch should only be made when a new release is ready to be deployed. Develop. This branch represents the main development branch, where new features and enhancements are integrated before being merged into the master branch. The supporting branches are feature. These branches are used for developing new features or enhancements. They are typically branched off from the develop branch and merged back into it when the feature is complete. Release. These branches are used for preparing a new release version. They are branched off from the develop branch and merged into both develop and master when the release is ready. Hotfix. These branches are used for quickly fixing critical bugs in the production code, the master branch. They are typically branched off from master and merged back into both master and develop when the fix is complete. By using these different branch types, the Git flow workflow helps teams maintain a clear and organized development process, making it easier to track changes, manage releases, and collaborate effectively. The Git flow workflow follows a specific set of steps to manage the development and release of software projects. 1. Start a new feature. When you need to develop a new feature, you'll branch off from the develop branch and name the new branch Features My New Feature. This keeps your feature development isolated from the main development branch. 2. Work on the feature. As you work on the feature, you'll commit your changes to the Feature My New Feature branch. 3. Merge the feature. Once the feature is complete, you'll merge the Feature My New Feature branch back into the develop branch. 4. Create a release. When it's time to create a new release, you'll branch off from the develop branch and name the new branch Release 1.20. This release branch is where you'll finalize the release. 5. Finalize the release. In the release branch, you can make any necessary changes or fixes. When the release is ready, you'll merge the Release 1.2.0 branch into both the master and develop branches. 6. Fix a bug. If a critical bug is found in the production code, the master branch, you'll branch off from master and name the new branch Hotfix 1.2.1. This allows you to quickly fix the bug without disrupting the main development process. 7. Merge the hotfix. Once the bug is fixed, you'll merge the Hotfix 1.2.1 branch into both the master and develop branches. By following this structured workflow, teams can maintain a clear and organized development process, making it easier to track changes, manage releases, and collaborate effectively. The Git flow workflow offers several key benefits. Parallel development. Git flow allows multiple features to be developed simultaneously without conflicts, as each feature is isolated in its own branch. This enables teams to work more efficiently and effectively. Traceability. The Git flow workflow provides a clear and organized way to track the development and release history of a project. By using the different branch types, it's easy to see the origin and purpose of each change. Predictable releases. Git flow ensures a consistent and reliable release process, as the release branches are dedicated to finalizing and preparing new versions for deployment. Scalability. The Git flow workflow is suitable for both small and large-scale projects with multiple developers. It helps maintain a structured and organized development process, even as the project grows in complexity. Flexibility. Gitflow allows for quick bug fixes and hot fixes without disrupting the main development process. The hotfix branches can be used to address critical issues in the production code, and the changes can be easily merged back into the main branches. By leveraging these benefits, teams can improve their development workflow, enhance collaboration, and deliver high-quality software more efficiently. In conclusion, the Gitflow workflow is a powerful and widely used Git branching model that helps teams manage the development and release of software projects in a structured and organized manner. Gitflow defines a specific set of branches and their purposes, as well as a standardized workflow for collaborating on code and releasing new versions. By following the Gitflow workflow, teams can enjoy several key benefits, including parallel development, traceability, predictable releases, scalability, and flexibility. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale enterprise application, the Gitflow workflow can help you improve your development process, enhance collaboration, and deliver high-quality software more efficiently. By adopting Gitflow, you can streamline your software development lifecycle and ensure a more predictable and reliable release process. Overall, the Gitflow workflow is a valuable tool for any team looking to manage their software projects in a more structured and organized way. By understanding and implementing the Gitflow workflow, you can unlock the full potential of your development team and deliver better software faster.